Welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. May you know Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software. If you want to become a good and professional video editor, you can learn Premiere Pro. But at first, when you see the Premiere Pro editing interface, it can be very hard to you. But don't worry, if you learn Premiere Pro step by step, it will be very easy to you. And then in this episode, I'm gonna teach you Premiere Pro basic to advanced from 0 to editing level. So if you want to learn with me, follow my Facebook page and subscribe my YouTube channel. By using this software, you can make any type of and any kind of videos for Facebook, YouTube, Instagram ad, or even this software is used for movie. So this episode this video is fast, and next video I'm gonna discuss and show you 2024 Adobe Premiere Pro interface. And this software made by Adobe. This is a company, software making company. So take care of yourself. See you next video.